Okay, so I wanted to show you Claude being used on an iPhone to help out if you're a college student or even actual school student, actually, for my example, trying to learn about math. You say, first I typed this in already, right? Make an interactive chart where I can adjust the coefficients of the quadratic equation in order to teach me intuition about how the factors work. Make sure the chart and slides have notes to explain what's going on, right? And it goes through, I'm happy, blah, blah, blah. So the first thing it pops up with, it does this whole thing and it tries to run its thing and it has a problem. So what do? You're like, oh, it doesn't work. No, screenshot it, which I did, right? And then I just uploaded the screenshot, literally, and that's all I said. Okay. That's it. No words. It realized, hey, there's an error. I got it. So then it does this one here. I'm going to click on this. And it gives me this next one, okay? And it's got the graph in there. It's got some explanations, some sliders and stuff. And, let's see if I grab this. The slider works, and you see it's sliding up and down. But it's not mobile friendly, right? And so I'm like, all right, let's try something else. I'm sliding this down. And I just say, make it mobile friendly and keep the graph static while I scroll to all the sliders, okay? And what does it do? It gives me this. This is perfect. Look at that, okay? And each slider has some explanations. I could change, the background color all out to make it more readable. But look, you can grab the slider with your finger and, kind of show the differences in the coefficients as you change them. Okay, and it's changing that first coefficient. You see how it's changing the concavity of it, okay? It's the first coefficient called A. And then the next one, you can do this one where it almost looks like it's actually moves on an arc as you adjust the coefficient in front of the X only or the B. Yeah, it's kind of cool to understand that a little more. Okay, and then C should slide us up and down, right? Ooh. I'll say it's a little hard to grab these bars, so I could probably just give that feedback. It'll make it a little bit more mobile and friendly for my points. But look, it talks about what a vertex point is, does a little education here, what the discriminant is, and then key insights about as you change them. Okay. And then it even says, here's some experiments to try, right? It's teaching you. I set it up as an interactive graph and teacher. So anyways, I wanted to show everybody you can do that, by the way. Don't, think outside the box. You can ask Claude to pretty much program anything. Keep it small, keep the request, not huge. You're not trying to make a, full-blown Word application or something like that. But these small little interactive things works very well.